Hey peeps, welcome to AIS. This is your first day at 6th grade. You're going to enter the doors after the buses drop you off, just like that. Right here is the auditorium. Yep, just zoom on in like this. Well, don't run over the seats like this. I'm using a drone, so that's the way we're able to do that. Once you leave the auditorium, over this way, we go down the hall here. This is where we're going to go to get breakfast and where we're also going to go to get lunch. Yep, this is where we line up right here, that door right there on the left. And we enter on in, see the cafeteria personnel, they hook us up with some food. And then we go through some doors and then we go into the cafeteria right here. Normally we got tables set up, but when we're filming this, it was like 3 days after the end of school. So yeah, we're busy cleaning the school like you wouldn't believe right now. Then we jam on down the hallway here. We're gonna head on to your classrooms. So we go this way, then we go right here, and then we're gonna go up these stairs. So, yeah. I'm a teacher here. You won't have me for a few years, but that's cool because I'm still like proud helping people out. If you ever need any help and you see me, ask me something in the halls, I'll hook you on up. Right here is going to be the water fountain on the left, which is rather important, but not as important as this room, these two rooms here. These are the bathrooms. Now let's see about your classrooms. Right here on the left, your first door is H5, I believe. Well, let's see if I can get the drone over the vacuum cleaner here. Oh yeah. And then you got H4, H3 right there. And then H2 is this one right here, right on the left. And then the last one is going to be H1 here on the left. Now, when it's time to go, what you do is you leave, you go out this way, you go down here. We're going to go down these stairs. Why is it important to leave? Because you got a life. So as soon as you get home, it's time to play Xbox, do what you like on the phone, have some fun. The doors are right here. They're the same doors you came in the morning. The buses will be out there. My advice is to find one of those older students you saw on the bus in the morning and ask them where the bus is. Right here is the gym. Right there's the workout room. And the last bonus room I'm going to show you is the music room. We also have an art room, but it's on the other side of the building and some other rooms. And that's the music room right there. So my best, and I hope your first day is awesome.